Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Yamaha YZFR6. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2019 Yamaha YZFR6 with 18,423 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and traction control. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket exhaust, Evotech swing arm spools, a rear fender eliminator kit, aftermarket rear turn signals, tech-spec tank pads, adjustable levers, and an accessory mount. We have installed a new rear tire. Powered by a 599cc four-cylinder engine, the YZFR6 puts 129 horsepower and 48 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.5-gallon fuel capacity, the YZFR6 has a 140 to 160 mile range. It has a 33.5-inch seat height and a 417-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this YZFR6 will need rear turn signals with sufficient visibility, and new sprockets and a drive chain. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and the rear is at 5:30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint blemish on the upper fairing. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.